Today's just another typical busy Saturday at the shop. So yesterday, I told Mike to freeze a couple buckets of water and then hide money in the middle of it. I thought of a little competition for the customers, but unfortunately, we got to work around here, so I made Mike handle that.
All right, so yesterday we froze these big buckets of ice. Inside are a few dollars. These are your tools. Whoever gets all of the money completely out wins the other person's money. Go!
These games are pretty fun and entertaining, and it gives us a great opportunity to give the customers some free shirts and some merch.
My name's Tyler and I'm getting a classic double Muffy D on my 2020 Daytona RT.
So usually these Chargers guys just get a single Muffy D, and it sounds pretty aggressive. But Tyler, he's doing a double Muffy D. Now this thing's gonna sound like a monster. We also set him up with some 4-inch carbon fiber tips to really set the tail end off. All right, Kev, fire it up.
I went with the double Muffy D. Sounds very aggressive. Thanks, Jigsaw, for doing your thing.
You hit me up out of nowhere and said you had a few badass McLarens at the Davy shop.
What up, Mike? Come through, bro. I got some Mickey D's over here for some Muffy D's.
So we headed over to the Davy shop and Jay made some car porn for you.
On Wednesday, I accidentally started a fire when I flicked a cigarette into the garbage can. Luckily, Kevin was there to put out the fire with the fire extinguisher. So this week, I told him he gets the opportunity to do something to me. Fuck you, Mike.